What happens if you eat banana peel? While most people are familiar with the sweet and fruity flesh of a banana, few have ventured to try the peel. While the thought of eating a banana peel may be hard for some to stomach, it's a common ingredient in many cuisines around the world. This video takes a closer look at whether you can eat banana peels and how they can impact your health. Banana peel's benefits. The peel of a banana makes up about 35% of the ripe fruit and is often discarded rather than consumed. However, using the peel is a great way to reduce food waste while squeezing some extra vitamins and minerals into your diet. In fact, banana peels are not only edible but also rich in several key nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, polyunsaturated fats, and essential amino acids. Fiber in particular has been shown to promote regularity, stabilize blood sugar levels, and boost heart health. Meanwhile, potassium can help regulate blood pressure levels, protect against bone loss, and reduce your risk of kidney stones. One test tube study also found that banana peels are rich in antioxidants, with unripe banana peels boasting the highest numbers. Some research suggests that antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect against chronic conditions, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes.